The tsunami, of course, generated an overwhelming response in terms of donations from individuals, families, non-governmental organizations and governments from overseas. After the emergency was over, it became clear that billions of dollars had been collected for housing reconstruction. For UN Habitat, it was important not only to support the government, to support the reconstruction agency BRR, which had been set up by the Indonesian government, but we also supported directly communities, working out with them how they could reconstruct their housing and settlements.
Hah?
Lokasi yang punya UN itu?
Di sini tempatnya. Ini tandanya Dadian. Siapkan tempatnya, dibersihkan dulu sampai ke sana.
UN Habitat has very strong presence in Aceh, and it also has been providing a lot of assistance to BRR. And took a challenge by taking on housing projects on Nias off the coast of Sumatra.
It's the people who are rebuilding their lives. It is the people who are rebuilding their communities. It's the people who are going to live there much longer after we have gone. So they should be at the center. They should be the main actor who take charge of their own development.
Karena gara-gara sinu badu talaksanakan penyampaian dasuere, berarti singa malaksanakan walaupun dia mai siungan siap, dia mai beberapa unit singa ngapa du siap, berarti dalam ami badu rapi dalaksanakan. Seperti winanciu dalam singa wahania, singa seperti rok belakang ede, kalau wadu mi gotong royongi dalam meroi motor. Bahan-bahannya batu segala macam bala badu rapi ni angke motor moroi terpaksa minang wade begotong royong.
UN Habitat bisa membangun rumah yang sudah diselesaikan saat ini adalah dengan cara pendekatan langsung ke masyarakat, baik face to face ataupun musyawarah. Itu yang terpenting yang kita lakukan.
Jadi memang tidak ada pilihan yang lebih baik. Ini bukan hanya proyek membangun rumah saja, tapi membangun hunian pemukiman. Jadi memang prosesnya cukup intensif dengan masyarakat, merencanakan bersama-sama dengan masyarakat, baik desain rumah maupun desain dari pemukiman. Dan tentu saja yang tidak kalah penting adalah unsur-unsur disaster risk reduction di situ. Sehingga sekaligus proses pembelajaran bagi dan oleh masyarakat juga.
We very much endorse this approach that has been adopted by UN Habitat for a long time already, working through communities, allowing the beneficiaries to really be active in the reconstruction of their houses. It's not an easy approach, because it means that if you adopt the community-based approach, you have to invest a lot of effort, time, resources, in community mobilization, community preparation, and community facilitation.
We involved the people, but people did not have the technical skills for the house design. The Tukans did not have the technical skills to adopt the construction methodology or construction process or the technology. So our job is to bring in that process and train the people.
Sambungan inilah yang sering hancur. Kenapa? Karena diabaikan dalam pengerjaannya. Sering diabaikan. Apa yang disebut di gambar ini tolong dilaksanakan.
Quality is straightforward. There are standards there are regulations to follow, there are building codes, and we will look to which extent communities are capable to stick to the rules, regulations, and codes.
Gini Pak.
Ini Pak.
Ini yang salah. Ini Abang salah kan? Ini yang benar.
Ya.
Ini simple.
Ya, satu lagi.
Ini simple. Simple.
Oke.
Bagus.
Yes.
Mana
ini bukan contoh tuh Pak. Nah, itu dah.
Simple. Ini bagus, simple.
For us, what was also important is that they are managing their money. The money right from the beginning stays in their bank account. It is they who manage the money also. So this is taking the community-based approach another step further, saying that until people themselves manage the money, this process is not complete.
Financial transparency atau kontrol daripada penyaluran dana cukup baik karena tidak hanya dilakukan oleh UN Habitat sendiri, tetapi dilakukan juga langsung oleh masyarakat penerima dana tersebut, sehingga dapat dikatakan program ini tidak saja hanya sekedar pemberian bantuan belaka, tetapi juga empowerment dari masyarakat Aceh sendiri.
Mana yang di atas saja?
Ya, supaya nggak garing ya, betul dia aja.
Udah ya, ini kita buka ya. Nampak dulu belakangnya. Ini rekaman. Iya, rekaman. Kita kasih saksi aja. Panitia tender dibentuk itu atas pemilihan dari masyarakat yang mendapat rumah UN Habitat yang dikelompokkan dalam bentuk kelompok KPR, memilih panitia 5 orang